On your site, the color is going to pretty much make it. I find that sometimes just tweaking the palette will completely change the look of the site. It's so simple to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you where to find the color palette, how to choose the right one for you, and then how to integrate that onto your site. So what we want to do is we want to go under website and then styles. And then here you'll see all of your fonts, your colors, buttons, etc., etc. We want to go into colors. And then up here, we've got our palette. And beneath that, we've got custom themes. So you can see what's on this page, lightest 1, lightest 2. And then you've got light 1, light 2, bright 1, bright 2, dark, dark, darkest, darkest. And that's going to go, obviously, then from light to darkest. Now, first off, we'll change the color palette. So you can change one by one, like this. You got your color selector, nice and easy, or you can just plug in hex code, RGB code, or HSL code. Or what you can do is you can go from presets. So we have a ton of presets here that we can pick, and that's going to change the entire site-wide palette, which is a really nice shortcut to swapping everything really quickly. So you can look around, see what you like, and roll with it. Or if you have an image that you found online, or you have your logo, let's say, you can upload that into here. Squarespace is going to pick out the colors and it's going to put that into your site-wide palette. And lastly, you can go from a color. So you can choose these, or you can go from here into color, and then we can go monochrome, complementary, analogous. I don't know how to say that. Thank you. Analogous or analogous to. And you can see that swaps up top the color palette. So I'm going to go with this, and then you can see that's reflected in the site. If we go back, we can then see our other themes. So we go from lightest through to darkest. If we want to edit lightest 2, which is on this page, we'd click in, and then you can go nice and granular with all of the colors. So this isn't site-wide, but if you want to go deeper, sort of take a micro lens to it, you can change every color and use your site-wide palette to quickly cycle between those colors. So once you're happy, you hit save, hit exit, and your colors it in. And that's that. So if you found that useful, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.